This is a Ethereum Classic Price Prediction and Ethereum Technical Analysis on hourly, 4-hourly and daily timeframes, as well as Ethereum news today. Now we present current our trading system signals. Disclaimer: we do not provide investment advice, technical analysis, and trading signals on the daily timeframe. Pivot Point Supertrend system gave the buy signal. Candlestick patterns are mixed. ABC trading patterns are indicating consolidation. Support and resistance level analysis show consolidation. Overall, on the hourly chart, we decided to stay out of the market given the choppy conditions. Technical analysis and trading signals on the 1-hour time frame. On the hourly chart, we overall the sell signal. Pivot Point Supertrend system gives sell signal. Candlestick patterns are bearish. ABC trading patterns are indicating a bounce and downtrend. Support and resistance level analysis show return under resistance level. Overall, on the hourly chart, we decided to stay short. Watch until the end of video as we will present you results of our another trading strategy. Subscribe to get more technical analysis videos. Before we present our second XRP Ripple technical analysis, we will tell you about other price prediction news. 1. Ethereum Price Prediction: how Polygon success validates ETH $10K target. 2. Ethereum Price Prediction: will ETH price keep outperforming Bitcoin? 3. ETH Price Prediction: $1,377 by end 2022 and $11,727 by 2030. 4. Ethereum Price Prediction 2025 to 2030, calculating the odds of a 500% hike. 5. Ethereum Price Prediction: what will ETH be worth in 5 years? Ethereum Price Prediction: how Polygon success validates ETH $10K target. Ethereum is trading at $1,639, up 3.6% in the previous 24 hours. ETH rose amid a bullish crypto market. The market rose 3% to $1.1 trillion. Ethereum analysis: Ether is optimistic today following big gains. ETH traded between $1,570 and $1,663 yesterday, showing minor volatility. As the market rises, the token rises. If the rise holds, $2K might be achieved shortly. ETH gained 26% in 24 hours. Ether recorded $37 billion in trading activity yesterday. Ether has a 17.89% market share. After a recent rise, ETH is down 66% from its all-time high. Ethereum's price movement is erratic, and the current rally shows symptoms of fading. The Ethereum Relative Strength Index is 40, indicating that traders buying the pump may start selling. As financial markets are green today, thanks to U.S. employment figures, ETH will likely continue rising. The data led to concerns that the Fed will reduce rate rises, resulting in gloomy markets. Polygon adoption boosts Ethereum. Polygon, a Layer 2 Ethereum blockchain network, is gaining popularity, which might boost ETH. Meta, an Instagram marketplace for digital collectibles, just incorporated Polygon NFTs. Polygon is also bridging conventional and blockchain finance. JP Morgan, a Wall Street giant, made its first live blockchain deal. JP Morgan traded $71,000 with Polygon. Polygon's acceptance might boost ETH as a scaling method for Ethereum. Ethereum Price Prediction: will ETH price keep outperforming Bitcoin? Ethereum failed to excite investors after the most anticipated merging. ETH has rallied in price despite market uncertainties. Ethereum surpasses Bitcoin. According to sentiment, Ethereum price dominance overtook Bitcoin in October. Ethereum price has risen 24% in 30 days as other cryptos struggle. At the same time, Bitcoin price rose 7%. An increase in ETH addresses established post-merge boosted Ethereum's price. On September 15, Ethereum has 619K active addresses when network growth was 64,765. Ethereum costs $1,629 at press time. ETH price rose 3% in 24 hours. Its 24-hour trading volume is $20.10, up 2%. Can ETH rally? After a decrease, its network expansion reached 65,637 on October 30th. ETH wallet addresses are over 408 Kelvin. Sentiment says address activity must improve if the cryptocurrency is to rise. Crypto analytics company says Bitcoin exchange supply is at a 4-month low of 8.48%. BTC addresses holding 0.1 to 10 Bitcoins own 16% of the token supply. It's at an ETH Bitcoin prices rose 2% in 24 hours. ETH Price Prediction, $1,377 by end 2022 and $11,727 by 2030. After merge, Ethereum is underpriced. 46% of Finder's industry experts agree. 55 fintech and crypto specialists say ETH might drop to $963. Don't worry, ETH might reach $1,377 by 2022. The panel expects ETH will reach $5,154 by December 2025. By 2030, it'll reach $11,727. Expert ETH price forecast. Thomson Reuters futurist and technologist Joseph Raksinski. He predicts $1,700 for ETH by December. Raksinski thinks merge's advantages are unpriced. ETH's value has decreased, but others believe it's now more valuable and secure. The environmental effect is also excellent, cutting power use by nearly 99%. Ben Ritchie is DCM's managing director. ETH is undervalued, he says. By 2025, it might cost $8,000. Unfavorable market circumstances slowed the network's expansion, but removing them will boost its chances of success. ETH overpriced. Independent crypto asset consultant Chloe White. She believes Ethereum is overvalued and can't withstand geopolitical challenges. Merge affects ETH supply. More to overcome macroeconomic and geopolitical dynamics stressing global markets. For months, waters will remain rough. 31% of experts feel ETH is reasonably priced. SEBA Bank's research head is Yves Longchamp. Decentralization's price. Many believe the update has a downside. 50% of panelists said decentralization is the largest trade-off. Jeremy Britton is BTC's CFO. Ethereum has won over environmentalists, but it lacks decentralization, he says. Tommy Honan leads Swiftex's strategic alliances. Centralization fears will fade, he adds. The circumstance favors Bitcoin over ETH. According to early figures, 5 US-based staking validators account for 64% of staked ETH worldwide. Merge has led to the centralization of Ethereum, another card for Bitcoin maximalists to hold over its nearest competitor. Despite concerns about centralization, 56% of respondents believe Ethereum won't be monopolized. 22% thought this would ultimately happen. Ethereum Price Prediction 2025 to 2030, calculating the odds of a 500% hike. ETH, Ethereum's native token, is expected to outperform Bitcoin in price before 2023. The cup and handle pattern contains the most bullish signals.
Price falls while maintaining a resistance level and recovers in a U shape.
The cup and handle design hit its profit objective 61% of the time, according to analyst Tom Bolkowski. Add the neckline level to the distance between the pattern's neckline and the lowest point to get the potential profit goal. How significant are projections? Ethereum's rapid surge means investors are betting heavily on this cryptocurrency. Ethereum gained popularity when Bitcoin's price plummeted in 2020 after 2 years of stagnation. After the halving, most of the cryptocurrency market remained quiet. Ethereum gained momentum swiftly. By 2021, Ethereum will have doubled from 2017 highs. Several variables might boost Ethereum's price. One is upgrading to Ethereum 2.0. Also, Ethereum tokenomics. Ethereum 2.0 will deflate Ether tokenomics. There will need to be more tokens to fulfill the rising demand. The result might boost Ethereum's momentum, Bitcoin's price, volume, and more. Ethereum was trading at $1,650 up from the previous week. It rose 6% in the previous week. Early investors doubled their money thanks to the tremendous ROI. It was worth $199 billion at press time. 2025 Ethereum price forecast. Changelly predicts a minimum price of $7,336.62 for ETH in 2025 and a high of $8,984.84. Trading costs are $7,606.30. CoinCX says ETH might have a great year in 2025 due to little risk. The bulls are well positioned to have a strong year. The asset could reach $11,317 by the first half of 2025, notwithstanding probable pullbacks. Conclusion: some investors buy competing tokens to benefit, while others hedge their holdings. It is backed by measures like daily active users and price action of so-called Ethereum killers like Avalanche, Solana, Cardano, etc. in the lead up to the merging event, which is less than a month away. Despite Ethereum's rivals and other reasons contributing to its volatility, many believe the first smart contract blockchain will endure. The Ethereum community hails the merge as a success. Deuteron referenced a study by Justin Drake, an Ethereum researcher that indicates the combination would lower global power use by 0.2%. Ethereum Price Prediction. What will ETH be worth in 5 years? Ethereum is a second-generation decentralized blockchain. Bitcoin has a larger market cap. Ethereum was intended to enable broader access to financial services and to construct a value-based economy so users' personal information is protected. Peer-to-peer transactions are possible. No one controls the Ethereum network since there is no central authority. Ethereum aims to become a worldwide platform for decentralized apps, enabling users to design and operate software resistant to censorship, fraud, and outage. Live Ethereum chart. In 2021 summer, Ethereum performed like other investments. July 19th was the year's low. The market altered after that, and all assets, including Ether, recovered. Ethereum hit $3,100 in early August and held there for over a month, ending the summer at around $3,200. Ether rose over $3,900 in September, then dropped to $3,200 after 6 days. After the month, the price adjustment lowered the ETH token by 10% to $2,800. 2022 Ethereum price forecast. Divergent ideas exist on Ethereum's pricing in 2022. Wallet Investor predicts $1,826.30 and PricePrediction.net $2,979.75 by year's end. Trading Beast analysts are negative about Ethereum's future price, predicting $1,550.84 in December. Ethereum 2023 prediction. Trading Beast predicts Ethereum will be worth $1,409.29 by December 2023. Wallet Investor forecasts Ethereum's future price will drop to $128.16. PricePrediction.net predicts Ethereum will reach $1,698.14 in 2023. Summary. Ethereum estimates are conflicting, as the following research shows. No one agrees on whether ETH's price will rise or fall. Future growth relies on announcements, new Ethereum technology, the crypto ecosystem, legal stance, etc. Before investing in crypto, conduct your homework. Ethereum investment. Experts agree Ethereum is an excellent investment. Some Ethereum price projections promise 200% long-term profits. Ethereum, like other cryptocurrencies, is very volatile. Ethereum purchases. Ethereum may be utilized in crypto markets and DeFi projects. Specialized exchanges allow trading for other coins or fiat currency. Bitcoin or Ethereum. Ethereum is riskier than Bitcoin. Buying Ethereum and Bitcoin is wise. It helps investors diversify and reduce risk. Thank you very much for watching until now. Here are the results of our another trading strategy. Trading System 2. Technical analysis and trading signals on the daily time frame. Trading system generated by signal and long entry. Multi-timeframe stochastic indicator is oversold and generated sell signal. Price is between multi-timeframe moving averages. MACD indicator shows being close to generation of sell signal. Trading System 2. Technical analysis and trading signals on the 1-hour time frame. The hourly chart gives us a buy signal. Trading system generated sell signal and short entry. Multi-timeframe stochastic indicator is neutral under buy signal. Price is above both multi-timeframe moving averages. MACD indicators generated buy signal. Write down below in the comments what is your strategy for the next few days. Click the card on the either left or right to get to more XRP Ripple price prediction analysis and XRP Ripple technical analysis. Also, we present analysis on Terra Luna LUNC, Bitcoin, and Bitcoin news today. We cover tickers, XRP, BTC, Cardano, ETH technical analysis, and Shiba Inu coin. Check our playlists for the free technical analysis trading course.